To customize notification pop-up style in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter notifications and then go to notifications pop-up style. That way we'll be able to set our notifications to either brief or detailed. Now in brief, you should see an app when it sends you a notification. You should see that notification in pop-up style, and then it will have the app name and that the app sent you a notification, but there won't be much detail about that notification. In detailed option, you will see more details, for example, a content of the message that was sent to you. Next thing that you can customize here is the lightning effect. You can add the lightning effect around the screen when you receive notifications. So you can choose one of the options right here, and then you can customize color for it and adjust advanced settings like transparency, width, and duration. After that, we can also go for lightning effect color by keyword, and then you can enter specific keywords right here. And after entering them, you'll be able to set a specific color so you can identify which notification or which words were contained in that notification. Then there's show brief pop-ups even while screen is off, which means you will see those pop-up view notifications even in lock screen. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.